Hi guys, welcome back to our channel where we discuss the latest crypto project. Today I'm super excited because I have a very interesting topic for you and you can make money out of it. We are going to discuss the 5 meme coins you can buy now just before the bull run. It's maybe just 1% started and you still have enough time to jump into it, but of course make sure that you make your own decision and I will help you because I'm going to show you the chart and of course explaining the project. Are you ready to start? Let's start. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor and this video is for educational purposes only. The first coin we are talking about is Andy. Positioned as a meme-centric digital asset on the Base network, Andy combines the decentralized ethos of cryptocurrency with the viral appeal of internet memes. I'm super excited to show you the price chart and we are jumping there right now. Andy's unique convergence of blockchain technology and pop culture not only entertains but also offers a novel approach to value creation within the digital economy. This makes Andy not just a token but a part of a broader cultural phenomenon. So guys, are you ready to find out where is a good price level to buy Andy? Okay guys, we are here, we are ready to check it out. As you can see, Andy just launched in 2024 in March. As of now, we just built some liquidity and I'm pretty sure we will take it later. We have a trend line which we are respecting right now here and I'm pretty sure we will see some kind of bullish movement soon. I personally would wait until we build a little bottom here, until we take the liquidity build up and then we make a break of structure to the upside. So right here would be a good time to enter. Make sure that you wait for some kind of consolidation to be not the liquidity for the actual move. Let's move on to Brett. Brett is known as Paper's best friend and a significant cultural icon within the Base chain ecosystem. Brett thrives on a platform that's rapidly expanding with numerous applications and projects being developed continuously. As the ecosystem grows, so does Brett's potential, leveraging the collective strengths and innovations of the Base chain community. It's a brilliant example of how a meme coin can integrate deeply with the blockchain culture and contribute to its expansive ecosystem. Are you ready to check out the chart and interesting price levels? I am, so let's go. We are right here on the daily chart of Brett. Also, we have a pretty new project. We can see that Brett just launched in 2024 as well, 8th of March, just right for the next bull run. What happened here so far? We had a huge push to the upside. And we also see that we left so much liquidity behind right here. I always love to trade wicks like that because normally they are getting filled and it gives me a very good reason to get into a buy with my target right here at the current all-time high. What can happen now and how long does it take? We don't know. What we can see right here is that we also have some liquidity left to the downside. So I definitely would wait until this doji good token because normally a doji will get hunted. So something like this, we can also wait here for a little accumulation and then a push to the upside. Make sure you get in somewhere here. Of course, it can happen that we also take out the low. So don't get in too early. Wait for a clear structure and then also, of course, follow your entry rules right here. I personally would just set an alarm and then if the alarm goes off, I will take my trade. Next, let's talk about Gummy. Gummy is a 420 wheat gummy bear that's ready to sweeten up the Solana ecosystem. Gummy is built on the Solana blockchain. In a crypto world that can sometimes appear all too serious, Gummy brings in a refreshing touch of lightheartedness and humor. Gummy proves that sometimes the sweetest returns are found in taking things a bit less seriously, appealing to those in the crypto space who appreciate a good laugh along with their investment. Let's check out that chart and let's see if you can find some good investment opportunities right here. Let's check out the Gummy chart. We are here on the 4-hour, but let's first go to the daily to stay consistent. We can see Gummy just launched. So you have all the possibilities right now to be in the early buyers and really participate on the next bull run. As we can see here, we started with a big push to the downside, and actually it looks already a little bit like it's filled because we have this bullish daily candle right here, which took the liquidity and then closed engulfing bullish. Let's wait until we build a little bit of a bottom right here, maybe some fakes, and then as soon as you can see that we are breaking the structure again, I would actually look to get in around this price. But be careful because right now we have a lot of volatility, and make sure that you find a decent level. You can also average your price. That means that you buy maybe once now, maybe one more time if you see a bottom building right here, and then you have a good average entry price. Of course, this high here would be our first target because, as I mentioned before, we have some liquidity left behind above this daily doji. Let's talk about Hemule next. It's a beloved house cat of Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin. More than just a pet, Hemule is a characteristic feline that has captured the hearts of the crypto community. Are you ready to check out the current price? And let's check if you can find a good level to buy in to be right on time for the next bull run. I'm pretty sure you love this chart because there is so much potential for this chart to blow up. It's actually one of my favorites right here, especially we had a just recent launch, also beginning of March, just right in time for the next bull run. We had a huge push to the upside, and again we have this amazing wick of liquidity left behind where we definitely have so many stops above, and that means normally that we are going to hunt this price level again. Again, here I would wait until we take this liquidity out. It looks like we are already building kind of a bottom, and then wait for the manipulation, wait for the sweep. I can highly recommend you. It helps me so much in the trading to wait for the bottom to be swept and then for a break of structure to the upside where we can find our perfect entry price. Again, I like to average my entry price. That means I don't have just one entry price. I buy in, for example, first 50%, then 20% more. And for my latest price, I just scale in the 100% of my investments, which I wanted to put in that coin. I hope you enjoyed it so far. Please give this video a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the information right here. Let me know in the comments, and let's go along with our last one. I hope you are as excited as I am because the last token we are going to talk about is actually so cute. It's called Teddy Bear, and it's a decentralized token on Pulse chain. Inspired by the teddy bear often seen in Richard Hart's live streams, Teddy Bear is all about embracing both the bullish and bearish momentum in crypto. Teddy Bear symbolizes companionship and resilience, reminding us to laugh through the dips and celebrate the rips. It's a token that brings the crypto community together during all market conditions. Let's check out price level. As you can see here, I just wanted to show you the picture because I love it so much. It's honestly the cutest, and I definitely invest in this one. At least a little bit. Make sure that you always keep your investment money in place and never invest any money that you need to make your living. So let's check out the price chart of Teddy Bear. It's here measured against Solana, and we can see that Teddy Bear also just launched 2024 February, and we can see that not so much happened actually in the last couple of days. So probably we are just waiting for the big coins to get started first, and then the small ones have the possibility to get pumped. So we are waiting here again to build a bottom, and then of course to hunt this daily doji here. You know it's my favorite already. So guys, make sure that you also average your entry price right here. And I'm super excited what you think about these coins. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments if you are already invested or if you're planning to invest. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is for educational purposes only. Give this video a like and subscribe, and I'm going to see you next time. Bye, guys.